Now see the question number 35. Which of the following is the value of under root 11 minus under root 7, under root 11 plus under root 7? So there are 4 options. Here you can use a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This identity will be used here. Here a is under root 11, b is under root 7. So a plus b, a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Under root 11 is square, a square minus under root 7 square, a minus b, a plus b. Under root 11 square means 11 minus 7, you will get 4 answer. Option B is correct. Next, minus 2 minus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 when simplified is. Here you will use the identity a square minus b square, as this is given a minus b, a plus b. Here minus 2 is a and b is under root 3. See the solution. Minus 2 square minus root 3 square. So this becomes 2 2s are 4 and plus 4 even power minus root 3 square means 3. You will get 1 answer. See the answer 36. Answer 1 is not given, but here another form of the answer, positive and irrational. So 1 is not irrational. Positive and rational. 1 is positive and rational. So our B option is correct. C, negative and irrational, wrong. Negative and rational, wrong. Option B is correct. Come to the next question. It is same, not same, but here you have to simplify. So first you simplify, then tally the answer from the 4 options. First you open the bracket. This thing is equal to 6 plus under root 27 minus 3 minus root 3. Multiply this minus plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Now see this root 3, this is also root 3, and here you can write 27. 9 3s are 27. So you can 9 means 9 is perfect square. So 3 root 3. You can write 27 as 3 root 3 minus 3 minus root 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Here this is minus root 3 and minus 2 root 3. This becomes minus 3 root 3, and here plus 3 root 3. So you can write it 6 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 and plus 1, this is 1, and this becomes minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 means minus 3 root 3. This will be cut, and here 6 plus 1 7 minus 3. So you will get 4 answer. See all the options. 4 will be fit in positive and irrational, wrong. Positive and rational. B option is correct. This is negative and this is negative. So option B is correct. Come to the next question number 38. When 15 root 15 is divided by 3 root 3, the quotient is. Now solve it. Now 38. 15 root 15. You can write it 15 and root 15 will be 3 into 5 under root upon 3 root 3. So this root 3 will be cancelled, and 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So you will get 5 root 5, 5 root 5 answer. Check the option. 5 root 5, option C is correct. Next, the value of root 20 into root 5. You can write root 20, 5 fours are 20. So break it, 5 into 4 into root 5. So here root 5 and root 5 become perfect square. You can take 5, and here 2 into 2 means you can take 2. So 5 2s are 10. Answer 10. Option A is correct. The value of 4 root 12 upon 12 under root 27 is, question number 40. Now solve it. Question number 40. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. You can write it 1 upon 3 and under root 12 upon 27. Under root 12 upon under root 27. You can write it 1 upon 3 into under root 12 upon 27. Cut it. 3 fours are 12, 3 nines are 27. So this becomes 1 upon 3 under root 4 upon 9. Now this becomes 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 3s are 9. Answer. Using the laws of exponent, if under root a upon under root b, you can write it under root a upon b. So our option B is correct. Next, question number 41. Under root 10, under root 15. You can write under root 10 means under root 5 into 2, and here you can write it 3 5s are 15, 3 into 5. You can write it like this, 5 into 2 into 3 into 5. This becomes, take 5 from, this is in pair, and 2 3s are 6, 5 root 6. Answer. Option B is correct. Option 5 root 6. Next, under root 32 plus under root 48 upon under root 8 plus under root 12. See how to solve. Now you can write under root 32 as 8 4s are 32, under root 8 into 4, plus break it as a factor of 12, 12 4s are 48, 12 into 4 upon under root 8 plus under root 12. Now this becomes under root 8 as it is, and here 4 is a perfect square, so you can write it 2 root 8 plus here this 4, you can write it 2 root 12. We are making numerator same as denominator, so this becomes under root 8 plus under root 12. Now take 2 common, and this becomes under root 8 plus under root 12 upon under root 8 plus under root 12. Now this will be cut, you will get 2. Answer. Option B is correct. Next, 125 to the power of minus 1 upon 3. Now you can write 125 in the prime factors, product of prime factors of 5. 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So you can write it 5 cube. to the power of minus 1 upon 3. This is in the form of a to the power of m to the power of n. So this power will be multiplied. So you can write it 5 cube into minus 1 upon 3. 3 1 the 3 1 the. You can write it 5 to the power of minus 1. This becomes 1 upon 5. Answer. So our option C is correct. Option C. Next question. 44. The value of 7 to the power of 1 upon 2 into 8 to the power of 1 upon 2. Here we will use the law of exponent. A to the power of m, b to the power of m. So this becomes ab to the power of m. So you can write it 7 into 8 to the power of 1 upon 2, because same power. So you will put in a bracket. 7 is a 56 to the power of 1 upon 2. Our option B is correct. Next, question number 45. Simplification. 13 to the power of 1 upon 5 upon 13 to the power of 1 upon 3. We will use the laws of exponents. A to the power of m upon b to the upon a to the power of n. So power will be subtracted when base are same, and second base is in the denominator. So you can write it 13 to the power of 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. This becomes 13 to the power of, take LCM, 15, 5 3s are 3 minus 3 5s are 5. So you can write it minus 5 plus 3. So this becomes 13 to the power of minus 2 upon 15. Check the answer, which form of the answer. 13 to the power of 2 upon 15, no, wrong. 8 upon 15, 1 upon 13, these are wrong. Option D is correct. Answer option D. Question number 46. The value of 4th root of 64 to the power of minus 2. So here this is the 4th root, you can write it 64 to the power of minus 2 and to the power of 1 upon 4. Now this power will be multiplied from the law of exponent. So you can write it 64 to the power of minus 2 into 1 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This becomes 64 to the power of minus 1 upon 2, or you can, this will be the sign of under root. So you can write it, first you make it positive. So this becomes 1 upon 64 to the power of 1 upon 2, and like this. This will be in denominator, so this power will be positive. Now you can write it under root 1 upon 64, and this becomes 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8. Answer. See again, you can write it 1 upon 4 to the power of 64 to the power of minus 2 into 1 upon 4 and solve it. You will get 64 to the power of minus 1 upon 2 and make the power positive. Take under root, you will get 1 upon 8. See the option, which option is correct? Option A is correct. Next, question number 47. the value of 2 to the power of 0 plus 7 to the power of 0 upon 5 to the power of 0. You know, any number having power 0 will be 1. X to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and x will be any number. 1 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So you can write 2 to the power of 0 plus 7 to the power of 0 upon 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 1. You will get 2. Option B is correct. Next, question number 48. The value of 243 to the power of 1 upon 5. So what to do? Do prime factors of 243. Divided by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, again 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So you can write it 243 to the power of 1 by 5 is equal to 243 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5. You can write it 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 upon 5. These powers will be multiplied. You will get 3 to the power of 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. This becomes 3. Answer. Our option A is correct. Option A is correct. Now see again, because it was not captured by camera. See again, 243, you can write it 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 upon 5. These power will be multiplied and cancel. Only 3 you will get. Next question. Question number 49. Now 49, 9 cube plus minus 3 whole cube minus 6 cube. You can do by two methods. First, you will write cube of 9. So this will be 729 minus 3 cube means minus 27, and minus 6 cube means minus 216. Solve it. This becomes 729 minus 243. You will get subtracted 486. Answer. And second method, you can write it 9 cube means 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 3 cube plus minus 3 cube minus 6 cube means 2 into 3 cube. Now write it 3 cube into 3 cube, and this becomes minus. So write here minus 3 cube and minus 2 cube into 3 cube. Laws of exponent using here AB to the power of m, a to the power of m, here a to the power of m, b to the power of m. Here we break it into two factors, same factors, to take common easily. So you can write it 3 cube common, and in the bracket 3 cube minus 3 cube and minus 2 cube. Now this becomes, just wait, now this 3 cube we have taken common, so this will be only 1, this is 1. Now 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, and here 3 cube means 27 minus 1 and 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, minus 8. So you will get 27 into 27 and minus 8 minus 1 minus 9, subtract, you will get 18. Multiply these two numbers, you will get 486 answer. Any method you will use, this one or this one. Our option C is correct. See the question number 50. 16 to the power of minus 1 upon 4 into 4th root of 16. You can write it 16 to the power of minus 1 upon 4, and here this is 4th root of 16. So you can write it 16 to the power of 1 upon 4. This is a to the power of m and a to the power of n. Add both these powers, so this becomes 16 to the power of minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Base are same here. So 16 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Students, we will continue the remaining MCQs in our next video. So please don't forget, like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.